Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'll be talking about my favorite books. Yeah, these are the books which I loved the most out of all the books I've ever read. And I mean, it's quite a pile, not that much. There are 6 books. There are a lot of books that I deeply regret reading. Let me know if you want me to make a video on that as well. But these are my favorite books today. I will not be a critic and I'll just be complimenting these books because I don't have one bad thing to say about them. And if you're familiar with any of these books, then let me know in the comment section below because I would love discussing about these with you guys. So, first book is Song of Achilles. This book made me cry so much towards the end because it is such a sad book. I mean, I'll not give you any spoilers, but it's basically like about the medieval times. I think you can tell that by the name, and it's a really pretty book. I mean, um, this is one of the best books I've ever read. I mean, I know I say this about most books, but I'm pretty sure I'll make a video about the books that I regret reading. Then I'll be a critic because there are some books that I absolutely hate. But this book is one of the best books I've ever read. It's about two guys. They're like soldiers. I don't know, but like I read this a long time ago. Still, I remember it बहुत अच्छे से. I'll not give you guys any spoilers because I really want you guys to go and read this book because it's a really good book. And this was one of the first books I ever read when I started reading. And when I read this, I was like, ये भी होता है मतलब because all the other books I read before this one were like just nothing compared to this book. Like it's so good. And actually this book I bought because it was recommended to me by my friend. And मतलब otherwise मैं खरीदती भी नहीं because like it does the cover is not very appealing to me. For me I usually like ऐसे colorful covers, they make more sense to me. So this cover was not very appealing to me. मतलब तो मैं ऐसी book खरीदती भी नहीं अपने आप से. But my friend recommended it. That's why I purchased this book and I read it and I was so glad I did because it's so good. Like trust me, you have to read this one. Okay, the next book that we have is wait, उल्टा पकड़ा है. Red, White, Royal Blue. इस book की अब एक movie भी है. Oh my god, I watched that movie and it is so cute. The movie is on Prime Video. You can watch it if you want, but I suggest you read this book before you watch the movie because this is such a cute book. It's about a guy who is the son of the president of America and a prince, the Prince of England, I think. Yeah, I think I remember. Yeah, so the president. So the son of the president of United States and the Prince of Wales, not England. Sorry, my bad. The Prince of Wales. Um, they fall in love and it is a really good book about that. And like the storyline and everything is so good and it's like बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब अब के टाइम के हिसाब से मतलब द पीपल आर वेरी मॉडर्नाइज लाइक जो बच्चे मतलब देयर लैंग्वेज एंड स्टफ बट लाइक द ट्रेडिशन एंड स्टफ वो सारा बहुत पुराने टाइम का है तो उसका बहुत अच्छा मतलब उन्होंने मिक्सचर दिखाया है बुक में सो आई लाइक दैट अ लॉट एंड अदर देन दैट द राइटिंग एंड स्टफ इज रियली गुड एंड मतलब this is a book where you do not like predict the ending. I mean, thoda sa part was pretty predictable, but that's what also what I liked. Like I loved the predictability, but at the end I was like, whoa, because some scenes are really, really, really adorable, and they're also in the movie. And the cast of the movie is so good. Like I'll put up pictures over here. Like it's really good and please watch the movie and let me know if you liked it and पहले book पढ़ना उसके बाद movie देखना because some scenes in the book जो book में है वो movie में exactly recreate करे हैं and they are like exactly how I imagined it in my head exactly वैसे उन्होंने movie में उसको बनाया है तो मतलब you'll love it but read the book first and then watch the movie. If you haven't read it already, I'm pretty sure you guys have read this book. It's quite popular and like movie one year, so like but if you haven't, then please read it. Okay, now let me come to my next book, The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo. Evelyn Hugo is such a woman. Like, I don't know, she's like the it girl. She has the aura. Like, this was also one of the first books I ever read. Let me tell you, this was the second book I bought. The first book I bought was Ugly Love. Hated it. Hated it. Like, it was so bad. But this was the second book that I bought. The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, and it was such a beautiful book. I read it in like 2 days. And 2 days is like a very short time for me because it does not. It takes me time to finish books, especially जब मैंने start किया था. I was not very used to reading बहुत ज़्यादा. तो मतलब finishing this book in 2 days was like such an achievement for me. But yeah, this is really good. The story is very well written. I say this about every book. I mean, it's actually really pretty. And like, wait, I've annotated this book a lot, like a lot. And also, this was the first time I got tabs. So like, there are tabs in this book, and abhi to bahut zyada fade ho chuke because it is very old. Um, but I like this a lot. And matlab, see, there are like chapters. Wait, let me find it. Um, yeah. So like, see, as it said, title में जैसे लिखा है Seven Husbands. So there are seven husbands of Evelyn Hugo. So like her husband का नाम लिखा है, and then how they got married, how they got divorced. It's really fun to read. Like it's very engaging, and it's like a very good young adult fiction. I mean, Taylor Jenkins Reid is like my favorite author ever. Malibu Rising भी इन्हीं किया है, and it's such a good book. Like, but then when I ordered Malibu Rising, they sent me a damaged copy. So I messaged them कि hello, my book is damaged. What do I do? And then they sent me another copy, and they said I could keep that one and this one as well. So like, thank you very much. And they also sent me extra bookmarks as an apology. So that was really nice. By they I mean the Indian bookstore. They're really good. You should really check them out. Not sponsored, by the way. I just actually like my experience with them. Next. Sorry. So the next book is Silent Patient. I'm sure most of you already know about this one, but this is my favorite. Wait, no, I have a favorite. Why is it not here? Actually, the very top #1 favorite book is, which is The Maidens. I have already made a video on that. You can go check that out. This is also one of my most favorite books. Like before मैंने Maidens पढ़ा, ये book थी मेरी favorite. उसके बाद I read The Maidens, and then that was my favorite book. But before that, Silent Patient was my favorite book, because this book actually messes with your head. Like what? I definitely did not expect that. The plot twist in this book is insane. Like you have to read it. Let me give you a little brief description about this book. So basically, there's a girl. She has a husband, and starting में बताया गया that her husband is dead because she shot him 7 times in the heart, and he died. And after he died, she did not speak a single word, so she just went mute. And then like a therapist is there, he checks her out and stuff. Not checks her out literally, but like he talks to her and stuff and tries to get her to open up about what actually happens that night. And when you find out what actually happened that night, you'll just, not a spoiler, I'm not spoiling, ये मतलब book के पीछे भी लिखा हुआ है, तो yeah, please check this book out. It's a really 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 good book. Like when you read it, you'll thank me for recommending it. Like this will be your top book for the year if you're like just starting out and stuff, because these are the books that I read when I just started reading. So I do not have that much like इतनी भी अच्छी बुक्स होती है मतलब. So these are like my favorite books ever, and these are the books that I would recommend to any new reader who wants to start reading. Next is As Good as Dead. Wait, this is actually the third part of the Good Girls Guide series. The first book is The Good Girl's Guide to Murder. The second book is, क्या है second book? I forgot the name. Wait, let me see. The second book is Good Girl Bad Blood. Yeah, this is the third book, As Good as Dead. And this is my favorite book out of the entire series, because this book was so well written. The plot twist was so good, and you kid me not, I kid you not, I finished this entire book in one day, and it's like it has 550 pages, and I finished it in one day, which is like very unlikely of me because I am very tired and very lazy. But this book was so good. Like it's like a page flipper. You read one, then you read another, and you cannot stop. It's so good. It's about a girl. Her name is Pippa. It's a movie, and she's like an investigator, but she's actually like a student, so she's not professionally an investigator. But like when people close to her, something happens to them, then she's up to investigate the case. And it's so well written. Like oh my god, I'm so attached to all of the characters in the book. Like it's that good. And like, please read this. I'm pretty sure you have read it if you're watching this video, but if you just want to start reading, you should start with A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, because it's like बहुत easy to understand language है. Like कोई बच्चा भी समझ सकता है. I mean that by that I don't mean कोई बच्चा इसको पढ़े, but like for teenagers, you should actually just check this book out. And there is a series also on A Good Girl's Guide to Murder, जो मतलब अभी आई थी recently, like a few months ago, and I watched it. Quite disappointing honestly, because I expected more from it. I mean बहुत different था from the book. But I love the cast. The cast was really pretty and very accurate to what I imagined, especially the main character, Pippa. She was exactly how I imagined her to be. And Ravi also, kind of. I mean, yeah, I knew that he was going to be an Indian guy. And like, they really know what the readers imagine, because they played it out exactly. Not the scenes, just the characters, because I'm quite disappointed with the scenes. This is my favorite rom-com, better than the movies. It's so good. It's so good. Like if you like reading rom-coms and you haven't read this book, what are you doing? Please read it. This is like my favorite rom-com ever. It is so pretty. It's enemies to lovers trope hai. And it's so good. Like it's not perfect. It's a very slow burn, because like you'll be dying till here. Like kuch ho kyun nahi raha, and then in the last few pages something actually happens, and then you're actually very happy and satisfied after reading it. But it's so good. Let me tell you a very unique thing about this book. So on every single page there is a famous dialogue from a rom-com. I'm just a girl standing in front of a boy asking him to love her, Notting Hill. So basically there is one dialogue in every single chapter about a famous rom-com. उस सब से भी है 10 Things I Hate About You. Like you heard about the rom-coms, I'm pretty sure, when you're reading this book, and you find the famous dialogues on the first page. Ah, yeah, 10 Things I Hate About You. You're not as vile as I thought you were. 10 things I hate about you. Actually, it's kind of like that. Not really, but like it is. Basically, these two people, they are enemies, but then in the end, they become lovers, and it's so cute. Like, it's actually really cute, and I love the cover. This is the cover that I would get attracted to the most. Bright colors, cute name, and stuff. That's what I want. Well, this was it for today's video. Let me know if you want me to make a video about 5 books that I regret reading the most. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. That's it for this one. Bye bye.